Should children be able to use tanning beds? That's the question Missouri lawmakers will have to answer in the next few weeks. 5 on Your Side's Rachel Menitoff talked with one cancer survivor who wants to make sure no teenager ever uses a tanning bed. Wow. That's a tall order.
It is. And Illinois and some of our bordering states already have laws that keep teens from using tanning beds, but that's not the case in Missouri. And one woman who knows the dangers all too well says it's time to change that.
As I was washing my face, I noticed a mole on my right cheek starting to bleed, which I knew immediately was not normal.
Kim Henneke went to the doctor 3 days later. The diagnosis? Melanoma.
This much of my cheek was taken out and then sewn together into a straight line.
Thankfully, Kim caught the melanoma quickly, but her recovery is ongoing.
Even to this day, I'm not fully recovered because I look in the mirror every day and I see parts of this scar every day.
As a young adult, Kim went to tanning salons a handful of times. She says no one told her about the dangers. That's why dermatologists like Dr. Rebecca Chibnall are pushing for legislation that would make people aware of the risks.
Melanoma is the most serious form of skin cancer, and we know that if a person uses a tanning bed before the age of 35, it increases their risk for melanoma by 59%.
Current Missouri law lets minors use tanning beds, but their parents have to sign a waiver. But Kim says that's not good enough, and children will pay for it later in life.
No, it doesn't happen when you're a kid. It happens later on when you least expect it.
The American Sun Tanning Association is against the bill. It says the bill would have unintended consequences like teens using unsafe tanning beds in gyms or home basements. It would take away a parent's right to decide whether or not their child gets a spray tan, and it would hurt businesses' bottom line. Okay.
So what's the timeline on this bill?
So right now the bill is in committee, and then in a few weeks it will go to a vote. And Dr. Chibnall told me that she and others have been lobbying in Jeff City to try to push this through.
All right, it'll be interesting to see what happens there. We want to know what you think. Should teens be banned from tanning? Go to ksdk.com/vote or tap the Vote Now button on our app. Let us know how you feel about it.